I'm a repeat buyer of this Origins GinZing moisturizing cream. The reason why, the jar is small but mighty. I love the orange scent. It is fresh without being overpowering. The texture is thick and luxe. Exactly what I want for my dry skin moisturizer. The packaging is new, but it's the same product inside. Why I keep buying it? The super hydrating formula. My skin stays soft and glowy all day long, even without makeup on. The smell is just divine. It is light, it is citrusy, and it makes me feel like a mini treat every time I use it. You get a great glow boost. It gives you that dewy, awake look right away. Why I keep buying it? It is rich, it sinks in fast, and the glow is real. Perfect for dry, tired skin that needs a little pick-me-up. Highly, highly, highly recommend.